guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am giving you a Heuchera seedling update, and I have a confession. So those first seedlings that I sowed with you guys, I'll tag the video up here or up here, whichever. Anyway, so those seedlings are gone. They are long gone. Like long gone. Like I probably 2 or 3 weeks after sowing them, I think it was 2, they broke out with a gnat infestation. And then like half of the seedlings had died off. And I just made the decision because my family was complaining about all the gnats. It was more than half of the seedlings were just gone. I decided to go ahead and scrap that seed tray, that batch of Heuchera. But what I did is I went ahead and ordered new seeds from Seedville, USA, and I planted more. And in true fashion, they have already sprouted. Some of them are growing some of their third leaves. And that just tells you how awesome Heuchera are. Like the seedlings they will readily sprout for you. And when I got them in the mail, I put them straight into the refrigerator. And they were only in there for probably like 2 weeks because I wanted to go ahead and get like the seeds going so that they could be big little seedlings by the time come May when it's my frost-free date. So I want to show you these little babies and show you how cute they are. And I want to encourage you guys to try and grow Heuchera from seed. It is so easy. Anyone can do it. It's so awesome to be able to grow your own perennials. You pay, $2 or $3 for a seed packet, and then you've got this perennial that you can plant in the ground that comes back year after year. It's wonderful. So let me go ahead and show you my little seedlings. So here is my new tray of Heuchera. This time I did not cover it with plastic. I did not do that the first time I sowed them in 2021. So I decided not to do it again, especially since the last batch was a big flop. But look at them, they're so cute. You can see where I heavily seeded in one area. That was by mistake just because their seeds are so tiny. But yeah, they look amazing. Some of them are getting their true leaves and they are so cute. That little hole in the center, this is because like I watered with like my sink waterer and it just kind of made that hole there. But now I'm just using my spray bottle to water these, and they're just in a low flat tray, which is perfect. Once they start really gaining some growth, I'll go ahead and transplant them. But look how cute they are. They're so tiny. All right, so let's move on because I have something else I want to show you guys. So these are my baby Heuchera from last year in 2021. I sowed these all from seed starting in January. I bought my seed from Seedville, USA, and then I also used seed that I collected in my garden. And yeah, I mean, the leaves look kind of crunchy because I did not do a good job of keeping them, slightly watered over winter. But these spent November through February in my garage, and then I brought them in the house to kind of get them up and going and get them a head start on the season. And they're all up right now. You can see all of this new growth here. Heuchera make great container plants, border plants, companion plants. They're great in sun, they're great in shade, they're great in all different lighting conditions. They look beautiful in the garden. They come in like so many different colors, you guys. There's one for every garden. Actually, there's like tons for every garden. There's new growth down here. I'm so excited. New growth everywhere popping up on these babies, you guys. And I was kind of scared that they wouldn't wake up when I brought them in the house because they just look so terrible. But they're doing so good. And I actually have another thing to show you, because these are just the ones that I didn't get planted in the garden before fall. I have some that are outside and they look amazing. They are so cute. And, you know, amazing for winter time in the garden. So I'll show you guys those right now. So here is one right here that I planted out. It's beautiful. It looks amazing, and it already does have like a little bit of new growth right there. I only had a few that had this bright reddish color. So I have this one, and then there's one next to it. It's got new growth on it too. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. Adorable. So I've got that that one, and then I also have this one that came out an interesting color. And when you buy the seeds from Seedville USA, like, you don't know what colors you'll get. So very cool. And then this last one that's in this hedge here. So this one is super, super cute too. It's doing well. It's got growth. New growth down here. So yeah, like, these guys look so good. They match the hedge that I was trying to complete last summer with these guys. And they've all got new growth too. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That color, you guys. I love this color so much. Can I get it to focus? There it is. Oh, so pretty. I cannot wait to see these burst with color this year. Now, I think I might have some on the other side of the garden. Let's go take a look. Super bright out today. Let's go look. Really, squirrel? Those squirrels are like popping out everywhere. Okay, so we gotta look down here on the ground. I have a feeling I didn't plant any over here, but I just need to check. Everything's under leaf cover anyway. Yeah, I don't see any. So hopefully I've given you enough reasons to try and grow your own heuchera from seed. They're super easy. The seedlings were super easy to take care of, except this last batch that got a gnat infestation. But we won't talk about that. Let's forget that batch, okay? Anyway, so they're super easy. The seedlings are easy to take care of. Once you plant them in the ground, that first year you want to keep them well watered, and then after that they're on their own. They do their own thing. There's no pruning really needed unless you have foliage that's damaged and you want to cut it off. But other than that, they're an evergreen perennial, and you don't need to cut them back. And actually, leaving the foliage through winter is really beautiful because they hold their color all winter long. So that's one bright spot in the garden, which is super nice when it's all snowy or just cold and you go out and everything else is gray, but your heuchera are bright and beautiful. Anyway, they grow in zones 4 through 9, and they can handle anywhere from full shade to full sun. They come in lots of different colors and varieties. So there's a heuchera for every garden, and there are multiple heucheras for every gardener. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe and go check out my blog, thethriftedplanter.org. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.